So guys, we're gonna do some work on the Eclipse today. So when I bought the car, it did not come with the carpet. He pulled the carpet out. So I'm gonna take the seats out. I took the carpet from my Eclipse GSD, which is the OEM one, and dyed it black, so it came out pretty good, I think. So we're gonna put this baby on there. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna try to refresh the seats too. Seats are in really good condition, no tears or anything, but as you can see, the color is a little bit fading, so we're gonna do that, put everything back together. So the first thing, let's get the seats out. Since I have the automatic seats, we're gonna put this back first. We got 2 bolts up there we gotta take off. So the 2 up front are 14. So I'm gonna use my impact to get that off. After the fronts are off, gotta slide the seat forward so we can get to the back too.
One eternity later.
There you go. Alright, so we got the same size 14 back here. And our seat is completely unbolted except any wiring for your seats. It's going to be underneath, so don't just yank it out. And I also hit jackpot. Car gave me some free money. Alright, we got 3 unplugged. This thing comes off here. Don't try to yank all this stuff off. There's a clip on this thing too. And this one's fairly easy because it's more accessible. So once you got all 3 out, you should be able to pull the seat out. Alright, here it is. So I just gotta clean everything up here. And let's get the other side out. Alright, yanked both side seats out. There's a stock amp for the Infinity radio. Alright guys, I'm gonna collect all my money and let's dye those seeds and put it back. Alright guys, so this is the product that we are using. One of the DSM guys put me on this leather and vinyl dyes, tan Mitsubishi, so you can get it from Seat Doctors. All the directions are here. You can even use a paper towel to just rub it on. We're gonna start cleaning it with a little bit of isopropyl and put the tan on.
One eternity later.
Alright, just finally kind of cleaned everything up in here. Got the seam sealer and stuff, so just kind of vacuumed and cleaned up a little bit. Now to put the carpet on, I'm gonna take the seat belt off, center console at least displaced, rear seats pulled up so it could tuck underneath. A few trims here and there we gotta mess with. Alright, let's get started. Alright, starting to lay the carpet in. You don't have to take it off, but move it up so that way we can do all the tucking underneath. The bolt holes will come through the wire harness. Yeah, let's go to the other side. This side, the amp does come on top, so I'm gonna remove the amp, unplugged it. I'm gonna plug it in up here. Open the trunk lever. Pull it. Pull. There you go, thank you. Okay, so carpet's in, most of the trim back together. While I'm here, I think I'm gonna try to do the rear speakers too. So we're gonna pull the seat up and do that. Those seats are easy to pull off. You just pull this, which releases the lock here. And it comes out. And then you got a screw. Everything else should yank out. I drop this one and see if there's anything there. Yeah, it looks like we got another screw there. Alright guys, let's get this thing pulled off. So we just got this off with just 3 screws. And there it is.
I love it's a gum.
replacement speakers. I'm not a audiophile, but these speakers are lighter than the stock ones. But the best part about Crutchfield is they send you these harnesses so you can just plug it into the stock one. No cutting wires or anything like that. So we're gonna plug everything in and put everything back together, see how it goes. Alright, we got one side in. Gotta do the other side. Test it out and put the panels back on.
Oh my god! Wow!
Alright, just finished everything up. So let's put the front seats in. We'll be good to go. Alright guys, finally all wrapped up. Here's newly tinted, I guess, seat. I felt like I could have cleaned it a little better before I dyed it, but it's okay. It still came out. The carpet, not too bad, but minor mistakes. I guess I should have brushed it and painted. But here's everything wrapped up. I got the front speakers, but I'm gonna do that on another video. So this video is just tinting the seats, put the new speakers in, carpet in. Interiors look much cleaner now. Till next time.